time. I think calculated my innings a bit. I prepared really well, and I think things came up nicely. Got a bit lucky to start off, and then yeah, I think I just wanted to carry on. I think knowing playing in Wankhede, we know that no score is stoppable here, so I just wanted to get as much as possible runs as possible. Even 250 looked like chaseable here, and England played really well. I think all credit goes to how they batted, and we really had a great semi-final.
You talked a little bit about how your innings progressed there. How much more different is it chasing well as you did against the West Indies and now setting this total up for your team?
Yeah, as I told before, I think you need to, assess the conditions. I think we have played a lot of cricket here in Wankhede. As I said before, chasing becomes a bit easier here. They won the toss, put us into bat, so we knew after the way we batted, I think the way myself and Ishan batted, the partnership which we had for after Abhishek got out, I thought that I think 250 should be, I think, possible here. So I think that's what we were talking about in the dressing room as well. So yeah, very happy how the team turned up today, and all credit goes to Jasprit Bumrah. I think the world-class bowler, once in a generation bowler. I think that's what he delivered today. I think this should go to him actually. So I think if he didn't bowl that way and the death overs, I think I would not be standing here. So all credit goes to the bowlers, how they backed themselves in the tough conditions.
Spoken as a true leader. What does this crowd mean to you guys tonight?
Oh wow, I think as you have witnessed here, sir, I think it's an unbelievable feeling to play in Wankhede right from childhood. I think the way people support actually both the Indian team and also the England team, I think there was real supporters of the cricket as well. So really enjoyed playing here, but I think we wanted to put in a positive result for them, but very happy results actually made them happy today.
I know a number of fans and supporters will be asking 97 and 89. You haven't quite gotten the 100. Does that matter to you?
I think not at all, sir. I think 100, I think 100 actually you can't actually score 100. It actually comes in the process of you can't actually, it's not a test game, it's not a ODI game where you can go up and down, up and down. Once you've got the start, you're batting first, there is no other way. You just have to keep going hard, hard, hard. And once you, I think, end up on the right side, who knows, I think, which amount of runs I'm getting. So I'm very happy to get whatever I'm getting and very happy to contribute on the winning side for my country.
And the country is very happy for you, Sanju. Thank you very much for your time. Very well done.
Thank you.